What is that one thing that distinguishes one person from another? Physical appearance is one thing, of course, but that isn't a competitive factor. Is it skills? Well, those can be learned. According to me, the distinguishing factor is traits. For me, the trait that distinguishes me from others is attention to details. Good day everyone, I'm Antrish Kumar. I was born and raised in the city of Dehradun in Uttarakhand. I did my schooling from St. Thomas's College, Dehradun, and my BTech in Electrical Engineering from College of Technology, Pantnagar. Those 4 years of engineering have been very important in structuring my personality. In school, I was a calm and a docile person, an outlook that changed when I came to interact with different kinds of people during my engineering. It was during that time that I developed an innate habit of doing things with genuine attention to details. During my final year project, I worked on artificial neural networks where I could employ my traits of attention to detail in the field of electrical load forecasting, wherein I used various factors to better predict the electrical load forecast for a whole city. After completing my engineering, I started working with Tata Consultancy Services, where I was given the opportunity to work with one of the biggest names in the field of investment banking, a firm based out of New York. Working with TCS, I gained insights into how an organization works and, more importantly, how an individual functions in the corporate. My team leads laid great faith in my capabilities and gave me some of the more distinguished responsibilities. I was given the role of a process executive, where I understood the complete business of the client and formalized business overview documents for a total of 14 production support teams, which would be vital for helping the team in the future. I was also a part of the internal audit team where I was made responsible to keep a check on the standards compliance for the 14 teams and report to the client on a daily basis. It was again my genuine attention to detail which helped me receive acknowledgement from both the client as well as the batch support teams. After serving in TCS for 19 months, I resigned from the company to join one of the most esteemed institutes of our country, the National Institute of Industrial Engineering in Mumbai, to pursue my postgraduate diploma in industrial management. It was during this period that I gained insights into the management concepts prevailing in the corporate. The location advantage of my college only helped in providing my exposure because of the innumerable avenues available in the economic capital of the country. Apart from these, I have also developed an artistic flair. In my leisure time, I like to do photography, play guitar, and love to sketch. Here are some of the examples. So why should you hire me? Well, I would reiterate my tendency of doing things with genuine attention to details. Be it my final year project during engineering, working in the corporate with some of the biggest names, or even my hobbies, I have put in the utmost effort in achieving good results. I have the will to perform my best in whatever possible way. I'm hardworking and a sincere person. I'm calm and composed and generally don't lose my head in tough situations. Over the time, I have honed my managerial skills by being involved in event management during my college. I consider all of these to be my strengths. However, I am equally aware of my weaknesses. You can think of me as flowing water that meanders around certain obstacles, but given the time, I will go past through all of them. In short, that was all about me. Hoping to hear from you soon. Thank you.